Siyempre, dahil hapon na, time na namin mag-swimming lesson. Pero bago ako mag-swimming guys, magkain muna ang all. Gutom ako, gidalan ako ni Madam Ten Gibbs ng champurado na merong kukwa. Tikman ko muna, sabi ko ayoko ng matamis eh. Kapait man. Mas mapait pa sa kahapon ko. Literal talaga na hindi matamis. Magbihis na tayo dahil today is another day of learning and wala pa yung aming eldest sister. Sabi niya susunod daw siya. Pero, shoutout nga pala guys sa mga nag-comment about dun sa aking corn sa paa. Binili ko po yung advice ninyo na Salicylic Mediplast. At bumili ako ng isang box. So, gagamitin ko yun mamaya. Titingnan natin kung matatanggal ba yung corn after 3 or 6 days. Kasi merong 6 na ano dun, 6 pieces na plaster. So, magbibihis lang tayo. Oh, 'di ba? Nagbago na ang swimsuit ni Madam Ten Gibbs. Akala ko hindi niya na ilalabas yung kanyang mga swimwear na pang ano, Rosana Roses. Rosana Roses. Ow! Destinita Son. Wala kayong coach namin, guys. Late si coach. So, maningkamot muna kami ngayon. Magpunta man daw siya, kaya sabi ko magpunta tayo. Sige, go. Wow. Oh wow! Day 5! So far, yung natututunan namin guys, maliit pa lang, konti pa lang kasi mahirap na matuto pag matanda na, matigas na po yung ulo. Hindi na kami pwedeng pagalitan kasi pag pinagalitan kami na coach, hindi na kami magpasok bukas. Ayaw kami pagalitan ni coach.
94 calories na po.
Iba na kasi kapag ano guys, matanda na pag pinagalitan, manluod man.
94 calories.
Wow. Ganit lang dahil sa swimming ang calories. Nice. Ang ginabilang niya yung ano mo?
Calories.
Yung heartbeat at saka yung pulse. Paano?
Heart rate, calories, ang distance mo. At ilang minutes.
Nice. Pinag-iyak na naman si baby girl. First time. Okay. Alright guys, let's start para mataas yung ating ano ngayon dahil time check 4:07 na. Naka-love ka pa ba? Ang grabe yung iyak ng bata. So sad. Ganyan din siguro si Colby at si Chico. Pero ayoko silang samahan kasi pag sinasamahan ko yung mga anak ko sa mga ganitong klaseng activity, umiiyak. Pero pag wala ako guys, hindi naman sila nag-aarte. So, swimming na tayo. So, dapat daw bago mag-start ang swimming lesson, laging mag-bubbles muna yung mga beginners, guys. So, yung bubbles, ganito, para sa mga hindi rin nag-swimming lesson katulad namin, ha? Turuan ko kayo ng libre. Ganito lang, guys. Ayun. In short, lahat ng laway, pawis, sipon, ihi, and everything ay nandito po sa tubig. So, kailangan maligo kayo pagkatapos at magsabon. Wow, backstroke na. Who's the backstroke? Ito pang isa. Backstroke. Buti pa yung mga 4 years old. Perfect na yung form.
Sana all may reward.
Anong reward?
Helicopter
Kami pala, wala kaming reward. Bakit kami wala kaming reward? Sana kung may reward din kami, mabilis kami matuto. Ang cute niya. Alright guys, 30 minutes down the road. And hindi pa rin ako nakamove on sa breaststroke. Nahihirapan ang all. Pero okay lang. Practice makes almost perfect. Hindi perfect kasi wala daw perfect sa mundo. At ngayon nagtuturo na si coach sa amin ng backstroke. Tapos mag-polish na lang kami sa mga form namin. Form parang sasali ng ano, sasali sa Korea ng Olympics. Pero yan ang sinasabi na habang bata pa, dapat matuto na talaga tayo sa mga bagay. No? Kaso nga lang, we can't bring back time. Wala naman tayong time machine. And ang totoo niyan guys, hanggang ngayon hindi pa ako nakaka-move on sa garlic chicken at cheesy pizza. So baka mamaya o-order na lang ako, magpapadeliver. Gutom lang. Ay nako, mag-box.
Yung shoulder nyo nandito. Oh, yan, nandito sa nandito sa itaas ng tainga nyo. Kapag ka nakaganyan kasi kayo, ma'am, ganito. Kapag ka nakaganyan kayo, pag maganyan na kayo, mag-lie down na kayo, talagang babagsak yung ang tubig sa mukha nyo. So kailangan talaga ramdamin nyo kapag feel nyo na nakaganyan, nakabend yung elbow nyo, you need to straighten your arms back.
Straighten.
Oh, ganun talaga.
Tapos sa ilalim siya ng tenga, coach, no?
Tapos para hindi ka na mahirapan na gaganyan ka pa sa ano mo.
Dito takiin sa ulo.
Dapat ganito, para nakaganyan mo.
Mm.
Oh. Siya na mismo yung tutulak sa ulo mo para magkaroon ng proper formation ng ulo mo. Hindi talaga necessary gaganyanin yung hindi tayo lang. Yan lang. Yun. Dito talaga yun, ma'am. Dito yun. Okay. Pag mapasukan yung ilong mo, ma'am, mapasukan yung ilong mo, maliit lang ang pag-asthmatic kasi, maliit lang yung oxygen na papasok sa'yo. Pero marami yung lalabas na gano'n sa'yo. Kaya mahirapan ko na. Oo. Para madali mawala yung tabo mo. Kasi mapin mo kapag kapululog. Nagapalpitit, nag-ano ng heart. Kasi yan, mag-nakit kasi.
Kayang shoulder, coach, wala nang bigay.
Bawa pa, ma'am. Bawa down pa, bawa down. Ayan, gano'n. Gano'n mo sabay yung ito. Ito, nakaganyan, ha? Nila-exhale ka lang, ma'am.
Ay, okay lang po.
Hop. Saka, pag mag-kick kayo ng kick, ng backstroke kick, ma'am, ang proper kicking sa backstroke kick is hindi ganito yung lumalabas yung tuhod nyo.
Oo.
Dapat you need to straighten your arms. Then,
Straighten your legs.
Oh. Ay, legs, sorry. Straight ang legs na nakaganon. Oh.
Straight.
Kick. Ano, water, huwag niyong ilalabas yung tuhod nyo. Ganon.
Ang foot lang ang nag-kick, coach.
Yes po.
So, okay to ako ang gain ng pabalik.
Oo,
Asa
yun.
akong mali?
Yun.
Okay to?
Pinitawanan kita.
Ah.
Tama na yun. Kulang lang sa speed yun.
Speed pa yun,
Power,
coach?
power. Ini-speed.
Power.
Yes po.
So, bagsak pa. Ano pa?
Maganda yung, ano mo ma'am, maganda yung kicking mo sa right legs mo. Ang
Naghanap, nasulod sa akong ilong.
ang kaliwang legs mo lang
Sapdos,
is
no?
nagaganin, no? Tumitigas ma'am. Kung anong ginagawa ito, yun din ang ginagawa ng ano. Nagagano lang ma'am. Oh.
Maginhawag ito sa taas, no?
Ilalaro lang ng toes mo yung tubig.
Nakuha ba yan mo siya babalik ka kanina? Nakanigil ni coach.
Okay na yung permission mo kanina ma'am. Ang kulang na lang sa iyo is power.
Ang speed sa tail, okay na. Power, ibig sabihin sa power, mas kusog pa, coach.
Ang okay na.
Oo.
Hindi na lumalabas.
Mm.
Ang kulang na lang sa is power na lang. Kung paano mo ganun, di ba? Dapat gaganon yan eh. Oh.
Oh,
Ano dapat yung toes nyo? Kita niyo yung toes mo kanina yung...
Nasa baba man mo ha.
Oo. Pero lumalabas yung bubbles.
Okay.
Kasi malaki.
Nag-ano ng current.
Ito kasi yung...
Hello guys, ito na naman si Madam Bendy. Nakuha ko na look. Tingnan natin, wait lang. Look, babalik na rin natin para makita. Wow! Oh, sa malalim ka na. Dali na, sa malalim ka na.
Teka.
Nakuha niya na daw.
Wala, ibilan ko ni coach mo.
Hindi, open arms ko lang. Huwag na straight arms. Nakagano, wide arms lang. Para nag-floating ka.
Papunta ahon sa taas.
Ang kicking niyo muna yung ano ko.
Yan, si Madam Ten Gibbs na naman.
Sige.
Floating.
Yun. O, kick. Kick ka ma'am. Huwag masyado yung look up ito. Ano lang, o, kick. Go, kick.
What? Kick higher pa, power pa. Wow. Okay na ba yan sa kanya, coach?
Mag-intro ka muna. Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys. Ayan.
Coach, nana daw siya.
First day ng mga bata sa kanilang exclusive swimming lesson. Sige lang, te. Mag-wait lang, me.
Try out.
Jericho, what happened? It's okay. Look at Calby, oh. You want to swim na there in the kids? Okay.
Na-try out today. Try out lesson for the children age 4 and 5. So, first time ni Calvi magka-swimming coach. You can see.
Bawal ang floater. Sige lang kung ano i-coach niyo.
Okay, how's Calvi looking?
Wow,
Like a real
Calby.
swimmer.
Wow. Hindi maklaro.
Put first up here. Are you okay?
Sige lang, dalawa na siya sagdan. Hi, Jericho. Say good morning. Okay, just sit down. Ha? Pasok ang cellphone. Nandito kami ngayon sa Petra Gardens Spring Resort dahil
Big for you. You go.
first day ng mga bata sa kanilang exclusive training.
Oh, tanggalan siya.
Are you excited, Calby? Wow, you have a blue padding board
Go.
and a blue goggles. Is it cold, Jericho?
Good morning, Madlang Pepol. Para kaming mga wakwak dito guys sa Jensan. Hindi na kami natulog kasi alas 6 yung meeting time namin. Dahil ngayon nga ay itatry namin dito sa may 6 feet. Sorry guys. Wala kang itutulog yun. 6 feet under the water. Kasi 6 feet. Ay, nako. Okay. So, dito tayo ngayon guys sa 6 feet under the water at sinabay namin yung mga bata dahil ipapatry natin sila kung makikinig ba sila kay coach. Lalong-lalo na kay Calby. Kulit-kulot natin guys dahil nakitaan ko siya na medyo hindi na siya masyadong takot sa tubig. So, I don't want that one to pass. Ngayon, dadalhin na natin siya since 4 years old na siya. Pero si Chico, masyado pang bata. Most probably next year. So ngayon, sabay-sabay si Calby tsaka si Jericho. Si Jericho 5 years old, si Calby 4 years old, and they're going to start the basic swimming lessons na. Ayan. Kung ano yung kakalabasan ngayon, kung nakikinig ba sila kay coach, titingnan natin and then we shall continue for a regular swimming sessions. Sana good job. Here's your goggles.
Okay, follow the coach. Go like this. Point your toes. Point your toes. Go like this. Point your toes, point your toes. And then point your toes.
Adik tubig.
Okay, do not race, okay? Okay, just keep smoothly. Smoothly. Okay, do it. Do it. Do not bend your knees. Do not do like this. It's too late to hold it. Good. Okay, go. Up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Good. Point your toes when you kick. Point your toes. Point and then kick. Oh, like this. Point your toes. Yan. Kick this. Yan. Oh, no. This way, this way. Relax. And then kick. Relax. Relax. Wow. No.
Go kick faster, kick faster. Wow, good job. Continue kicking.
Yeah. What is your name?
Jericho! Jericho!
Sa pangalan na ni ma'am?
Calvi.
Calvi? I'm Coach Calvi. You're Calvi. Oh,
Jericho.
don't be scared because Coach will not let you down. Okay? Okay?
Scared, okay?
Coach will not let you down in the water. Okay?
You have the same, coach. Coach is your father. You have the same
We have the same color, oh? Don't be scared, huh?
Gatugno, manggod siya.
We have the same organization. Okay, do not remove, do not remove.
Do not remove, anak.
It's tight now.
Tight?
It's tight.
It's tight.
Sorry for being
Ang
absent
isa
from the
pababaw
class.
pa. Ang isa pa dito. Hindi rin sa likod.
Bueno. Yeah, it's good. It's good. Hold. Hold fast. Okay. Okay, I hold you, and all you have to do is to follow coach, okay? Okay, kick. Don't release, don't stretch your legs. Go, kick. Slowly, kick slowly. Oh, very good. Kapaming mo na ini. Go. Good, good. Ooh, you like that, okay? You like that, good? Like it? Like it? Okay, good, very good. Okay, now. Pang, parang full noodle kayo dito. Tawagan si... Wala, na ito sa ilang malay. Itapin din mo wala mag-full noodle ni mo. Kaya mga pipo tamang. Eh, kurong-kurong itong ito gani. Okay, hold the kickboard. Hold the kickboard. Oh, what is the proper holding of kickboard? Okay, just look at me first. Look at coach first, no? Okay. Okay, I'll be the one first. I'll be the one first. Just wait. Just hold tight your kickboard. Do not do like this. Just do not do like this. All you have to do is do like this. Look at my elbow. Look at my elbow. Okay? Okay. Okay, and then straight the legs. Straight, no, straight arms. Straight your arms. Then push the kickboard underwater. Okay? Then push the kickboard. You need to do is straight your arms. Straight arms. Straight your arms. Just go like this, though.
Go, Calvi.
Go like this. Go, go. Yun. Very good. Okay. Okay, and then kick. No, do not kick too high. Not yun. Very good. Point your toes. Point your toes. Ma'am, lalom-lalom na kamay. Gumayon dito tayo sa unahan, ha. Yun. Okay. Okay, we go there. To the other side. Come. Coach will hold you. Okay? I'll put the floater here. On your underarm. Okay, later, okay? Later. Okay. Hi. What is your name?
Jericho.
Okay, dalang for me. Okay. Can I borrow this? Okay, Jericho. Jericho, ay, number 6.
No.
Jericho.
Listen, Lord.
Okay. Okay, hold this board. No, this way. Look at me first. Look at me first. Okay. Look at me first. Just hold the kickboard like this, okay? Okay. Okay.
Cute, Winston.
And then, go kick. Okay. Toter lang eh.
Bakit ang papa?
Oh, don't be scared. It will hold you. Board. Go board. Go. Oh, very
Calvi.
good. Oh, coach will not hold you, but you know already you know how
Wow,
to swim.
Calvi!
Oh.
Wow!
Oh.
Very good, Calvi. Very good. Wow.
Stretch your arms. Stretch your arms.
Straight your arms.
One. Very good. Go kick.
Wow!
Go kick. Oh.
Wow, very good, Calvi.
Go, yan. Go. Go kick. Go kick. Go kick.
Jericho.
Go, good. Straight your arm.
How to kick?
Go,
Well,
Jericho.
like this. Oh, very good. Don't be scared. Coach is watching you, okay? Okay. Okay, very good. Yeah. Good.
Wow, very good, Calvi.
Stretch your legs. But bend your knees. Wow, yun. Okay. 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 You want to rest? You want to rest?
Di na siya.
Ah, di na siya mag...
Ha? Pre, di na lukon mag-rest.
Are you enjoying? Are you enjoying?
Wow, good job, Calvi.
Okay, that's okay. Nagalutaw ng good side. What do you want? Ipon mo din. Jericho. Oh, just sit down here.
Ay, i-ano na siya ha, pwede mo na. Pang! Ma, ibalhin na siya ha, offload ka. Kaning pull, kaning...
Oo na lang.
Oh, you don't want? Okay.
Very good, Calvi. Go, Calvi. Go, Calvi.
Follow. One. Swim straight. Swim straight there. Yay. That's the wall. That's the wall. That's it.
Touch the wall, Calvi. Go. Come on. Go faster. Go. Go, Calvi.
Wow, very good. You see, you can swim without kickboard. Without kickboard, only the noodle. Yay. Let's go back.
Wow, good job,
No
Calvi.
na? You want here?
Okay. Come on. Why you stay muna? Go to the kiddie pool. Slowly, slowly. Go down.
Good job,
Yay.
Calvi.
Very good. You want to use this one? Bye-bye. Okay, go back here later, ha? Okay.
Good job, Calvi. Very good, Calvi.
Bubbles.
Bubbles.
1, 2, blow. Okay, very good.
Very good.
Oh, last two, last two. Oh. Okay.
Very good.
Okay, inhale. And blow, okay? So 1, 2, inhale. Don't like that. Oh, bubbles.
Inhale like that, oh. Put the air in your lungs.
Okay, don't be scared, huh? Go, 1, 2. Go, go, 1, 2, down. Bubbles, 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 bubbles. Blow. Okay. Oh, diba? Wala nang kickboard.
Wow.
No kickboard anymore, right?
Good job,
Okay.
Calvi. Wow, Calvi.
You like it? Like swimming? You like
Wow.
Pag ulit ito.
Ah, hindi pa.
Ah, kailangan na siya may kickboard oh. Green na yun, green na. Ayaw na po yun, ano? Bag, kaya ha? Oo, naman din natin sa balay. Dalaan na lang, pwede na rin. Sorry, teams na lang. Magdara lang yung teams.
Oh, very good, Calvin. How to kick.
Wow.
Very good, very good. No how to kick.
Pabol, pabol, pabol.
Bubble.
Go, go.
Right, dapat hindi kay coach para mag-bubble sila.
Enjoy, enjoy. Happy, happy. Do not bend your knees. Do not bend. Straight your arms. Eye legs. Straight the legs. Yun. Very good. Ganun. Okay, sit arms. Oh.
Wow, very good,
Do
Calvi.
like this, oh. Yeah.
Wow, that's why you can move. Wow.
Wow, good. Yun. Move, move. Yeah, you need to scaling your hands. Okay? Scaling. Straight your legs. Do not bend your knees when you kick. Okay. Very good. Wow, you're moving. Right? Okay, come here. Come here. Hi. Do not leave your kickboard. Do not leave your kickboard. Oy. Ayan mo na. Hi. Hi. Say hi. Say hi to your cousin. Say hi. Please, galing. Galing. Move.
So you can rest. Yes, that's it. Go. Almost.
You did great today. Love you. You did great today.
Wow, good job.
Vamos.
Show
Mama want to see.
Izong gang.
Blow. Okay.
Show me bubbles.
Bubbles.
Wow.
Okay.
Sunod ilong na naman sunod.
Kaya mo na dyan.
I told you, the coach is gonna teach you how to swim.
Okay, bubbles. Hindi na, malanganin ko siya. Kaya siya kay Alom.
Hindi ako makindot lang namin mag-enjoy sila.
Oo. Pali mo ganun naman motivation. Self-motivation.
Tapos ang aming 2 hours na swimming session at ngayong araw ay apaka-special dahil kasama namin ang aming mga anak. Ang anak ni Madam Ten Gibbs na si Jericho. Very successful. Ano masasabi mo sa first swimming lesson ni Jericho?
Effective talaga pag may coach.
Yes. At gusto mo ba yung ano ni coach, yung kanyang style of teaching?
Yes, very
Fun.
fun sa mga
Yes,
bata.
fun and
Hindi strict.
hindi nagmamadali no na
Yeah.
parang sasali ng Olympic
Yeah,
bukas.
Hindi natatakot ang mga bata.
Yes. So, akin din si Calby. I was very happy. Nakita nyo naman sa video kanina ay talagang nagustuhan ni Calby at doon po kami nakalangoy sa 6 feet, 5 feet, 6 feet at si Calby at si Jericho ay
Ikaw,
talagang
ba't na ikaw,
nag-enjoy.
ne?
Gusto namin yung ganung klase na na style of teaching, yung fun ba? Ako as nanay gusto ko hahanap-hanapin ng anak ko yung activity. So, paano niya hahanapin kapag ka masaya, hindi nakakatakot? Meron kasing mga coach na iba na nakakatakot yung style nila. Pero yung coach namin, at least ay nag-enjoy si Calby at gustong bumalik bukas. Sabi nga ni Calby kanina pag uwi namin, the swimming lesson today was so fun. Diba? Sana all. Mas malambot pa silang turuan guys kesa sa aming tatlo ni Madam Sheena. Si coach sa amin galit na pero pinipigilan niya na lang. Pero yung mga bata ang bilis matuto. So kanina just for 2 hours si Calby ay nakakick na ng paa, nakabubbles na siya at confident na siya sa malalim na meron siyang pool, noodle at saka meron siyang floater. So dati natatakot talaga si Calby guys, lalo na pag alam niya na malalim. Pero kanina binitawan na siya ni coach and he was feeling confident. So is Jericho. So it was a productive tryout for them. So nakapag-desisyon kami ni Madam Ten Gibbs kasi ngayon try out lang muna. Tiningnan namin, 'di ba? Tiningnan muna natin kung mag-react sa lesson. At saka kung kaya ba sila ng coach. So far so good naman. So i-enroll namin sila for a regular class for 30 sessions dahil si Calby, hindi ko nakikita kay Calby yung kanyang passion so far. Nakita ko mahilig siya sa aklat, but when it comes to sports or anything active, wala pa ako nakikita. He likes to run, pero itatry natin yung swimming. So, i-enroll namin sila. I-share ko na lang sa inyo kung magkano on the next session, baka bukas. Kasi bukas yung kanilang first formal swimming class. Sobrang excited. So, hindi ko maisabay si Chico. Gusto ko sana siyang isabay, guys. Kaso, sabi ni coach, advice niya, kunyari kung siya yung nasa position ko as parent, na 4-year-old is a good age. Kasi yung 2, ang gagawin lang yan is pasanayin muna sila sa water. Hindi pa sila matuturuan muna ng marami or talaga agad-agad. Pero at least yung 4 years old, pasanayin sa water plus pwede na silang matuto and then pwede na silang mag-start ng mga swimming style. Ayun. So kumakain lang ako dito guys. Dito na lang ako kumain kay Madam Ten Gibbs. Nawala na yung mga pagkain, kinuha na nila. Di pa nga ako tapos, kinuha na nila eh. May galit ata sa akin to mga to eh. Joke lang guys. Eto na lang pala yung kakainin ko. Kanin, kumain ako ng pako na gulay, tsaka iskabetseng isda. And then, yun, tubig. Yan lang yung breakfast. Tapos diretso na ako sa Mayumi Thailand Closet mamaya. See you!